helping a child be able to get as much education as they can is really important. You can make a very real difference in where they are in the world.
I remember you telling me something about how fulfilling it was.
Oh yeah, I mean, like I said, you make a tangible difference at a very important, critical moment in an individual's life. I was doing a negotiation with the other side, and I just had so much fun. And I was advocating like I've never felt like I've gotten to advocate before. I didn't even feel like I was practicing law or working. And afterwards I was like, I forgot what that feels like, right? Yeah. This is what it felt like my first day of law school, right? We were like, this is it, we're doing it, you know? Like,
yeah.
I'm not gonna say it's less stressful, there's different kinds of stress. For me, the stress comes to, I wanna get a good result for this child. We're not dealing with a bunch of emails to adjusters or
the
minutia, meaningless tasks.
Yeah. I feel like every problem we face in America can be solved by the next generation that's coming after us. I think advocating and helping and making room for them to be kids is important, because big systems, like the school district we have here in Clark County, big systems are hard on little kids. Like, we have a neighbor, she's a firecracker, she's deaf. She needs to have tailored education because she can't hear. Man, she has personality. Man, she has intelligence, right? And so it's a shame, it's a sin to be like, hey, we're just gonna pretend like that person doesn't exist. We need to give them exposure to all of that opportunity.
Oftentimes they may find themselves on an IEP, or an individualized education plan. There's an agreement between the family and the school district that certain additional services and accommodations are gonna be provided to that student. The school district's gotta follow through with that plan. And when that doesn't happen, the child and the student, they suffer, and they don't get that opportunity. And so there's a process in the IDEA to allow parents and families to try to right that wrong. You got to file a due process complaint, and you got to bring those complaints to the school district, and you work on a resolution. Ultimately, it's going to best help the child.
Education changed everything for me. I mean, it opened up so many doors. And so if we can tap into that talent that exists in the younger generation, and we can also protect the fundamental right of education that people feel they're entitled to, and they need to be able to grow and become the best versions of themselves. That's an important function. So education law is basically the practice of protecting the educational rights of children.